Well, guilty on all counts. A jury has convicted the drunk driver who killed Washington State Trooper Christopher Gadd in Marysville last year. The verdict came after a week-long trial. Jeremy Harris with our sister station has been covering the case since it happened and has more on the verdict.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Raul Benitez-Santana, guilty of the crime of vehicular homicide.
After just 3 hours, a jury convicted Raul Benitez-Santana of killing Washington State Trooper Christopher Gadd.
Mr. Benitez-Santana was exactly the sort of driver the Trooper Gadd was looking for. That was specifically his purpose. That was his duty.
It was in the early morning of March 2nd, 2024, when a dash camera captured Benitez-Santana's GMC Yukon speed by and then drive down the shoulder and strike Gadd's patrol car.
What's the name, buddy? Mr. Benitez-Santana killed Trooper Gadd by driving over 100 miles an hour, fully on the shoulder of the roadway, which is flatly illegal.
This video shows Benitez-Santana drinking at a Mount Vernon bar while on a date. He later admitted to smoking marijuana, then getting on the freeway to drive home.
Raul was not impaired. He was not under the influence. It is legal to drive after you've had drinks. The law tells you this. It is legal to drive after using marijuana. The law tells you this.
But his defense attorney said investigators contaminated the blood draw results and didn't store them properly.
Raul did not have a VAC over 0.08. He was not impaired by marijuana. Mistaking the shoulder for a lane is not reckless. That is a mistake.
The defense also put blame on Trooper Gadd, saying he was parked with his lights off in the shoulder while looking for speeders. But prosecutors said there was no excuse for drinking, driving at triple-digit speeds, and then driving off the road.
There's no reason for him to be driving on the shoulder. This evidence is overwhelming. That speed is reckless.
We had all the evidence that was laid out in front of the jury. The jurors were able to deliberate, contemplate on that evidence, and come back with a just verdict.
And a judge has set the sentencing for this case for later this month.